Today, I'll walk you through how to add a full-width Smart Slider 3 in Elementor WordPress, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to integrate this powerful slider into your website, so you can enhance your site's visual appeal and user engagement. First, let's head over to your WordPress dashboard. If you're not familiar with the dashboard, think of it as the control center for your website. Everything you need is right here. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the Smart Slider option on the left-hand side. This is where all the magic begins. Next, click on the Smart Slider option. This will take you to the Smart Slider interface where you can manage your sliders. If you don't see it right away, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, just take a moment to locate it. Now let's move on to the next step. Click on the slider you want to edit. In this case, we'll be focusing on the size settings. After selecting your slider, look for the size option. This is crucial because it allows you to set how your slider will appear on the page. Once you're in the size settings, you'll see an option labeled Full Width. Click on this option to enable it. This setting ensures that your slider stretches across the entire width of your page, creating a stunning visual effect. Finally, don't forget to click on the Save button to apply your changes. This step is like securing the lid on a jar. It keeps everything inside intact and ready to be showcased. And there you have it. You've successfully added a full-width Smart Slider 3 in Elementor WordPress. This feature not only enhances the aesthetics of your website, but also improves user experience by making your content more engaging. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.